Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to share my weekly skincare routine. I know we are all busy in our day-to-day life, especially working women, mothers, housewives. We won't get much time to pamper ourselves. But one thing is true, that time won't stop to anyone. It's our duty to manage time for ourselves. All I can say that learn to manage time to yourself, to pamper yourself. Love your skin, love your body. Then only you will feel that you are beautiful, isn't it? Today's vlog, I'm gonna share how I take care of my skin, what products I use. Everything is there, so without wasting much time, let's start. The first step is wash your face. So I'll wash my face with papaya face wash. Here it is. So this is Good Vibes papaya face wash.
Good Vibes Papaya Skin Clearing Foaming Face Wash. It brightens skin complex, removes dirt, improves skin texture. Comes in a pump bottle and foamy texture. So the foam result in soft. After using, you will feel face clean. Wet your face and neck. Pump a small amount of foaming face wash onto your fingers. Gently massage this foaming cleanser onto your face for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't forget to give a massage to your neck. Massage in a circular motion and rinse off.
Health benefits of papaya, we all know. It is extremely rich with vitamin C. As I said, it is rich in vitamin C, which is good to our skin also. It helps to reduce wrinkle, control acne, remove suntan, brighten our skin. It also contains antioxidant, which helps the skin to repair itself. I love this product very much. It has anti-aging properties that tightens the skin and keeps it radiant. What do you think? Next step is scrubbing. To scrub, I'll use Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Skin Exfoliating Scrub. Here it is.
Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Skin Exfoliating Scrub, and texture is like this. It has small granules which polish our skin and skin won't get any damage. Take a small amount through your fingers and smoothly massage it on your face. It purifies and cleanses the skin by drawing out oil, dirt, impurities and bacteria. It helps to achieve a flawless complexion and fight acne. Again, don't forget to give a nice massage to your neck. And the most important is don't forget to give a upward massage to your face and neck, because upward massage tightens our skin and keeps skin wrinkle free. Use ring finger to massage under eyes because that part of the skin is very sensitive. Then rinse it away with water. You guys can see the instant glow on my face. Keep a separate towel to wipe your face and give it a pat dry.
Okay, after scrub, the next step is applying mask on your face. For that, I use Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleanse
Face mask, here it is.
Again, it has no paraben, no sulfate, cruelty-free and no mineral oil. As all these things are not good to our skin, and this product is free from all these things. Again, it purifies and helps in the deep cleaning of the skin.
Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Deep Cleansing Face Mask. It also has granules. Apply an even layer of the mask on your face. The goodness of this mask is it makes skin deeply cleansed, draws out impurities, keeps pores clean, makes skin soft. Massage it and leave it rest for 10 minutes. I think you guys can see the difference, brightness in my face.
Now the last step is applying facial oil, and I'm using this one. This is Good Vibes Almond Skin Brightening Facial Oil. Currently I'm using this and it is good, and I also use this one, Good Vibes Rose Hip, and I love this product very much. I have finished 2 bottles of Rose Hip facial oil. I love this product very much, and it definitely gives a result. But currently I'm using this almond facial oil I'm using, and this is also very good.
Good Vibes Almond Skin Brightening Facial Oil. And one more Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. I love this product very much. Both the oils give good result. Comes with a dripper so that easily can apply on your face. Take a 2 to 3 drops of facial oil all over the face. Gently massage onto the skin with your fingers. Massage gently till it absorbs. And the goodness of almond facial oil is it helps fade dark circles, improves skin texture, reduces uneven skin tone. And as almond is rich in vitamin E, which moisturizes the skin very well. It is very light. You won't feel heavy while wearing it, and it easily absorbs onto your face. I think you guys can see the glow.
I also want to say that the products which I am using that suits to my skin, I didn't find any irritation, redness, itching, but it doesn't mean that it suits to all skin type. So I highly recommend patch test. Before using any product on your skin, your body, your hair, patch test is must. So I personally highly recommend you all patch test before using any products, before using even these products also. Because sometimes natural ingredients may be irritating to some people. So it is very necessary to conduct patch test before use. That's all about my weekly skincare routine. Hope you guys like it. See you soon in another interesting vlog. Until, take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like and comment. Bye.
If you guys want to purchase these products, link is there in my description. Do check it. You will get these products in purple.com, Flipkart and Amazon.